I'm going to start with the bottom of the cup. Bring this down at a slight angle. I'm going to round off the bottom and then come back up and have it stop where it started. Then we're going to connect those with a slightly curved line and then make a little V here, a little V there. We're going to connect it with a fairly tall curved line. It's the dome. We need to make the hole at the top for the straw to go through, make that little oval shape there. Then this will be the top of the liquid tea part, so we're just going to do an oval shape on the inside, touching the sides of the cup. Now let's fill it with boba bubbles. And I'm going to add the straw. So I'm going to start way above, go right through the hole at an angle down to where the bubbles are. We want it to fit in that oval at the top and then curve off the bottom of the straw, and then the top of the straw is going to be a little oval.